Hello, I'm at the observatoire de Haute-Provence in France. I'm observing exoplanets here, trying to find some. And just now I left the place where we sleep, which is the Maison Jean Perrin. There are not many people on site, it's the weekend particularly, but also now mostly the operations are pared down, but I wanted to share with you a bit of view. So you can see here is a telescope of 120 centimeters. There actually are two investigators on this who are observing and recovering the orbits of asteroids at the moment. And at the moment I'm en route with the telescope of 193 centimeters. I'll show you in the next little video. For that we have to go through the forest. So it's nice, it's a forest of small small green oaks. It's actually very nice to walk through. It's a bit fresher. Today is nice and warm. Yesterday was rainy and a bit colder. That's probably the main message that as an astronomer we need to be patient. And here is the path I'll show you. It's actually quite picturesque. As you can see, we have to go through the forest and it's rather nice. There's lots of butterflies, which is really nice in this part of the country. Right, I'll catch you up to show you the telescope very soon. Right, so here we're a little further away, and behind me you see the offices, and right here you can see the magnificent dome of the 193 centimeter. This is here that the first exoplanet around a sun-like star was discovered by Didier Queloz and Michel Mayor, and Didier was my PhD advisor, and 25 years ago, so he was here testing some of the instruments, etc. It's kind of nice to be in such a site. So I'll show you what the telescope looks like from the outside, and maybe later from the inside. We shall see. So you have a look. Here's the door of the telescope. Here's the dome. As you can see, rather big. Hi again, so now I'm at the telescope, so I will show you a little bit what it looks like. So here we're entering the control room, that's where we will be spending the night. So you can see here, that's my station over there. I'll be soon calibrating the instrument. Here is where the telescope operator will be. He is in command of the telescope. Now let's look at that telescope so you get an idea. So we're entering the dome here, and as you can see, we're going up some stairs. You can see the superstructure here of the dome, and soon you will see the telescope. Quite an instrument. There you are. Look at that. So it was constructed, I think, just after the Second World War. It's about 2 meters in diameter, 193 centimeter, and yeah, rather exciting, isn't it? So now I'll go back down the stairs I came from, and I'll show you a little bit outside the view we have around, because it's quite stunning, really. So let me show you that. And there it is. So now we're on the gangway outside, and look at that. Rather incredible. So there we are, a nice view, and so you can see there are a few clouds today, so it's not so great, but the forecast is saying that hopefully the weather will clear later, and that's why the site is here. There's a bit of a microclimate when the night actually starts, about half an hour or an hour after it suddenly clears, so hopefully we'll observe.